Hi, this is Savik of Triple 130 year bearing a roll number of V18E045. My mini project is a self-regulating temperature control system. This project is done under the guidance of Dr. G. Sudhi Kumar Sir, Associate Professor, Department of Triple E. The main objective of this project is to automatically regulate the temperatures in the surroundings without any human attention, like incubators, AICs, ovens, etc. It also reduces the power consumption of the appliances. The another major objective is to assist people who are disabled and are unable to control the speed of the fan. It can also be used for monitoring changes in the environment. Coming to the block diagram, that is the structure in designing this project is that firstly the input side, that is the temperature from the surroundings, is measured by the temperature sensor and the data is given to the controller or the Arduino. Here the data is being processed accordingly and sends the data to the output, that is the temperature details will be displayed on the LCD and the appliances will be controlled accordingly. So, to construct this project accurately and user friendly, the required components are Arduino Uno, LCD 16 into 2 display, 12-volt DC motor, LM35 IC temperature sensor, two 1K ohm resistors, 10K ohm potentiometer, BC547 NPN transistor, 10 microfarad capacitor, and an LED. Here is the detailed circuit diagram of this project and the connections. Arduino Uno is one of the type of Arduino board which acts as a brain of this project. That is, it controls the system by which this project becomes an automated regulating system. And we have a LM35 IC which is a temperature sensor having three terminals in which two are for supply and one is a data pin. Here is the code for working of this project. An edited file liquidcrystal.h is used to display LCD. And the pins of LCD LM35 fan pin, LED pin are initialized, and minimum temperature is set to 35 and maximum temperature is set to 70 degrees centigrade. So now we'll see a red read temp function is called here. So this is used to get the temperature from LM35. The LM35 temperature sensor gives the value in analog form. So to convert into degree centigrade form, we have to multiply with a fraction. So it is done by the read temp function. So the temperature, measure temperature is checked whether it is less than minimum temperature or not. If it is less than minimum temperature, the fan offs. If it is greater than minimum temperature and less than maximum temperature, then fan speed accordingly changes. If the temperature is greater than maximum temperature, then LED is set on. So these are the LCD display functions. This is the coming to the working and demonstration of my project. As we have seen the circuit diagram already, a 12-volt DC adapter is used to supply power to the circuit. As you can see, an extra element present here which is not there in the circuit diagram is 10K pot. It is used to adjust contrast or brightness of the LCD. Here you can see an LM35 IC temperature sensor which is used to determine surrounding temperatures. It is closely packed. It can withhold temperatures from -55 degrees centigrade to 150 degrees centigrade. The output differs by 10 millivolts in response to each 1 degree rise or fall, and the remaining components are connected as per the circuit diagram. Now I am switching on the power supply. As you can see, you can see two information displayed on the LCD, that is temperature in degree centigrade and the fan speed in percentages. As of now 0%, so the fan is not rotating. For demonstration purpose, the minimum temperature at which the fan rotates is set to 35 degrees centigrade. As the present temperature is less than the minimum temperature, so to increase the temperature, room temperature, here I am using a candle as a heating source. As you can see, the candle is brought nearer to the LM35 temperature sensor, and the temperature noted at present is 26 degrees centigrade and fan speed is 0%. As I'm gradually increasing the temperature using the candle, you can see at 35 degrees centigrade the fan automatically on. As you can see backside, the fan automatically on. Now the temperature reading is 48 degrees centigrade and fan speed is 34, and it gradually reduces according to the room temperature. 41 degrees and fan speed is 17%. When the temperature reaches to 34 degrees centigrade, the fan automatically stops. As we said, the minimum temperature is 35 degrees. When the temperature reaches to 34 degrees, the fan automatically stops. As you can see, the fan automatically stopped. Here, in this project, I have included an alert system where it alerts the users when the temperature is very high and an immediate action is required. As for demonstration, I have set the maximum temperature to 70 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, the fan rotates at high speed using this LM35 temperature sensor. Here I am using an red LED as a alert system. We can use a buzzer also. So now we will see how it works. I am increasing the temperature using the candle. As you can see, now the temperature is 25 degrees centigrade and fan speed is 0. Now I am gradually increasing the temperature. At 35 degrees, the fan automatically started, and now the temperature is 41, 17%. Gradually increase. At 70 degrees centigrade, the LED turns on. We'll see 45, 28 degrees, 46, 31%, 49, 49 centigrade, 52 centigrade, 62. At 70, the LED turned on, and fan runs at 100%. When the temperature is above 70, the LED turns on. When the temperature gets below the 70 degrees centigrade, the LED automatically turns off, and fan turns off when the temperature became 35 degrees centigrade. So this is my project demonstration. Thank you. Further, this project can also be upgraded to send alert messages to the mobiles and also inform the nearby help centers in case of emergencies. Considering all the applications and feature scope, we can say that this self-regulating temperature control system is very cost effective. This system has vast applications in many households and industrial sectors. As the conclusion, the system which is designed in this work has performed very well for any temperature change and can be classified as an automatic control. So, energy saved is energy conserved. Thank you.